Hello and welcome to this video on generating events when a log message is reported in BMC Helix Log Analytics. This video demonstrates the steps to create an alert policy and use an event to analyze the issue. In your Apache logs, you notice an unusually high number of authentication errors in an hour. You decide to create an alert policy for these log entries. Alert policy is the engine that identifies conditions in the logs for which you want to be alerted. When the condition occurs again, an event is generated. After you receive the event, you investigate the root cause in BMC Helix Log Analytics and resolve the issue. Let's begin with creating an alert policy for the authentication failure example. In BMC Helix Log Analytics, click the Configuration menu and select Alert Policies. On the Alert Policies page, click Create. Enter a unique name such as Authentication Failure and an optional description. Set a precedence for the policy. Note that the lower the number, the higher the precedence. Configure the condition for which the event will be generated. For our error example, you enter status equals 401. To group occurrences of a condition, enter the values by which you want to group the conditions. For example, to group all occurrences of status 401 on a particular hostname, enter that hostname. You can enter a maximum of 3 values, but one must be the hostname. Now, decide how many times the condition must occur in a time period to generate an event and the status of the event. For this example, when status 401 is reported a minimum of 50 times within a 5-minute period, a critical event is generated. In the hostname field, enter a hostname that is added to the event. This value helps you correlate events in service modeling in BMC Helix AIOps. An event message is auto-populated. Change it if required. Configure additional event parameters like tags. These values are set for the generated event. Enable and save the policy. View all your alert policies on the Alert Policies page. To edit, enable, disable, or delete a policy, click the Actions menu. Let's leave it enabled. When the conditions configured in an alert policy are met, an event is generated in BMC Helix Operations Management. The event class is log event, so you know it's yours. Now, let's find more information about the error to understand the root cause. Click the event. To analyze the log entry, go to the Others tab. In the Search Parameter field, you will find the link to BMC Helix Log Analytics. Click the link. The Discover page in the Log Explorer opens. Use the options available to investigate the log entry. For example, you discover that in the last 5 minutes, the status was reported as 401 for a particular host. You can now access the host and check for a breach attack. This is how you generate events from logs and analyze them to resolve errors. Thank you for watching.